people from Melanesia contain traces of DNA belonging to an unknown species, according to an exciting new computer analysis. Scientists say that Melanesians, people from a region in the South Pacific, contain DNA of an unknown human species in their genetic makeup. Brian Boisvallender told the annual meeting of the American Society of Human Genetics that the DNA was very unlikely to be Neanderthal or Denisovan, but is likely a third, unknown human relative. "We're missing a population, or we're misunderstanding something about the relationships," Brian Boisvallender, a statistical geneticist from the University of Texas, told Tina Hesman-Say at Science News. Boisvallender and his team have been investigating the percentages of extinct hominid DNA that modern humans still carry today, and say they found discrepancies in previous analyses that suggest our mingling with Neanderthals and Denisovans isn't the whole story. It's thought that between some years ago, our early ancestors migrated out of Africa, and first made contact with other hominid species living on the Eurasian landmass. This contact left a mark on our species that can still be found today, with Europeans and Asians carrying distinct genetic variants of Neanderthal DNA in their own genomes. And that's not all they've given us. Earlier this year, researchers investigated certain genetic variants that people of European descent inherited from Neanderthals, and found that they're associated with several health problems, including a slightly increased risk of depression, heart attack, and a number of skin disorders. And a separate study published earlier this month found evidence that modern genital warts, otherwise known as the human papillomavirus, HPV, was sexually transmitted. When they got to Denisovan DNA, things were a bit more complicated, particularly when it came to modern populations living in Melanesia, a region of the South Pacific that includes Vanuatu, the Solomon Islands, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, New Caledonia, West Papua, and the Maluku Islands. So what are your thoughts on this, and feel free to share this. Thanks for watching, as we continue to spread the real and spread the most interesting news and top stories.